Hey everyone, welcome back to Howtechs. Today we have an iPhone XS Max. We're going to show you how to change the wallpaper both for the home screen and the lock screen. So to do that, you want to go to the settings and you have to go down and find wallpaper, which looks like that. Click on that one and then you see the two options. And so you can basically go to choose new wallpaper and you have choice of dynamic, stills, and live. And so for this case, dynamic is some built-in choices. And as you can see, here's a preview. So we have these bubbles kind of dynamically moving around, and you can set that. And when you choose to set it, you can do set for lock screen, set for home screen, which is the one behind the apps, or set for both. Let's try something else. Let's go back to stills. So these are just some default still pictures. See all kinds of choices there. So let's pick my favorite, which is this one from the beach. Okay, and we have two choices, either still or perspective. And for perspective, it actually moves the picture slightly as you tilt the phone, so it looks like you're kind of looking through a window. So like notice the edge of the surf here. And as I tilt the phone, there you go, you can see it there. Like it sort of moves as if the picture is somewhat set back from the surface of the phone. And obviously still turns that off. So again, you can set for either the lock screen or home screen or both. And then next up we have live. And here we have sort of three, I don't know if those are planets or gas bubbles or something like that. And so if you select one, press on the screen to see this wallpaper animate. So this is similar to the iPhone 7 and 8 where you have the force sensitive screen. And as you push or let go, it animates. And so that happens actually when it's on the home screen and lock screen as well. So you can do live photo, you can do perspective, which would be a still version that has the tilting, or the still. So let's do live photo and set this one for both. And so now if we go back up, we see now it's that kind of brownish one. And so now let's take a look at it at the lock screen. And so now here, if I push, you get that animation. So that's pretty cool. And if you let go, it goes back. And one last thing, you can actually also choose your photos. So you can choose from your photo roll or specifically select from live photos. And if you do the live photos, that is similar, that if you press on the screen, you can see it animate. So in this case, you can see my shaky hand as I was taking this picture. But that will be the same on the lock screen. So there you have it. That's setting the wallpaper on an iPhone XS and XS Max. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe and definitely check out our other videos for the XS, as well as many other popular phones here on Howtechs. Thanks and bye. Today we have an iPhone XS Max, and we'll show you how to insert and remove SIM cards. As you can see, we have two SIM cards, and this is the Hong Kong edition of the phone.